Alma now supports two new PO line types, one-time digital orders and continuous digital orders. This feature must be enabled by your Alma Administrator. Let's create an order of a digital title to see this in action. From the search results for a title, click Actions for the desired title, Order. For the PO line type, we can see the new digital types. Let's select Digital One Time. Click Create PO Line. Note that the PO line is created without an inventory item. Therefore, we will need to associate a digital representation with this PO line. Confirm. To add a representation in the Ordered Representations section, click Add Representation. Select whether this is a remote representation, meaning it's hosted in a remote digital repository, or not remote, in which case you can upload the file here. Let's make it remote. Select a usage type and fill in other details as needed. Select the remote digital repository and fill in the parameters specific to that repository for this title. When done, save the representation. We can see the representation was added to the PO line, and we can continue to process the order as usual. In the example just demonstrated, we associated the representation from the PO line editor. An alternative method for associating a representation with a PO line is upon creating or editing that representation. To show this, let's create a new representation under Resources, Add Digital Representation. You must enter an existing collection and an existing title. Click Save and Edit. And now you can select an existing PO line to associate with this representation. When done, click Save, and you can continue processing the order as usual. Finally, to enable these two new PO line types for your institution, Alma administrators can go to Alma Configuration, Acquisitions, PO line types. Enable these two types, digital_CO and digital_OT. Note that if these rows are locked for editing, you can click Row Options, Customize. After enabling these types, don't forget to save. Thanks for joining.